Alright, so in this video we're going to look at how to make your health bar follow your player as you move through your side-scrolling game. If you just create a simple health bar and drop it into the game, as soon as you move to the right or to the left in your side-scrolling game, your health bar will normally stay in the same place and it'll disappear. So we want it to actually follow along with our player as they move through the game. So what we're going to do here is we're going to have to first create a new object, which is our object health bar here. I already have it set up. So we want to call it object health bar, or whatever you want to call it. There is no sprite necessary. The first thing we're going to want to do is add a draw event, and then we're going to want to add in an action, which is execute a piece of code. So this is a piece of code we're going to execute. It's called draw underscore health bar, and what it's going to do here is it's going to draw the health bar for us. So these first chunk of code right here is our x and y coordinates, our beginning and ending x and y coordinates when it draws. So the first one is view underscore x view. That's telling it to draw it so that it follows the view, basically, is what it's doing there. The plus 10 means that I want it 10 away from the side of the game there, at 10 pixels. I don't want it right up against the edge of the view. So that's our beginning x. Our beginning y is also plus 10, which means to drop 10 down from the top. Our ending x coordinate is 110, so that means it's 100 more than the original 10, so that means it'll be 100 pixels long. The ending y coordinate is 20, that's 10 more than 10, so it'll be 10 pixels high. We want our health bar to register health, so we have to type in health there. And then this ending part of the code here are some options for the health bar, colors, etc. If you want to learn more about that, you can look at the video game card that goes along with this video. We're going to go ahead and say OK on this. Say OK. Room 2 here, which is our beginning room. We're going to have to take our object health bar and drag it out into the game. Since it doesn't have an object or a sprite associated with it, it'll just put this little question mark there. Don't worry about it. It's the game is going to draw it for us. You can see it's a little question mark. Alright, so it's in the game. Alright, so let's go ahead and test it out. Alright, so here's our game. Here's our player here. Here's our health bar up here in the upper corner. We'll go ahead and start moving. Let me drag this up a little just to make sure it's all in the camera. We'll start moving. Notice that the health bar follows the player and it always stays up there in the upper left hand corner no matter what. And there you go. That's how to make a health bar object follow your player in the game.